Hey guys. The following video was a request. Hope you enjoy.
This is a demo.
Absorb wetness fast. Odors, audios, even made litter out of it. Barkeep, pour our friend a demo.
Dang, hey, nothing quicker than AbsorbX. Hey, we've put together a brand new menu at Eaton Park. But who cares about what's on the outside? You're gonna love what's inside. Great new meals like fettuccine alfredo, beef chimichanga, baked ziti, and more. We've got your old favorites too, and best of all, we haven't raised the prices 1 penny. New menu, new meals, same great prices. At Eaton Park, the place for smiles.
Eaton Park's the place for smiles.
Rated E10 for ages 10 and up. Images are not real and only appear on your television screen. Wonderbook, the magical new book for PlayStation 3 that brings stories to life before your eyes. Grab your wand, learn the spells, and reveal amazing secrets, just like a student at Hogwarts. Wonderbook, Book of Spells from J.K. Rowling, only for PlayStation 3. Game is sold separately from console, iCamera, and Move controller.
PlayStation.
This is Major Dermot Quinn of the Massachusetts State Police. The Westfield Police Department has requested an Amber Alert for an abducted child, and we need your help. Gabriella Kozazik may be in extreme danger and was last seen at 1 a.m. in Westfield, Mass. in the area of Woodmont Street. The Westfield Police Department needs your help to locate Gabriella Kozazik, a white female, 3 months old, brown hair, brown eyes, approximately 2 feet tall, and weighs approximately 12 pounds. Gabriella is wearing either pink and black striped tights with a fluff clown-like top or a pink nightshirt with mittens. She may be with Cheryl Kozazik, who is a white female, approximately 28 years old, with long brown hair, blonde highlights, worn in a ponytail, 5 foot 4 inches tall, and weighs 115 pounds. She's wearing black army boots with yellow stitches, a tan sports coat, and black jeans. They may be traveling in a gray 2004 Toyota Tacoma pickup truck with Massachusetts license plate registration number 85ZH15. The vehicle has a Westfield State University parking decal on its windows. Anyone with information is asked to call 911. Do not attempt to stop or apprehend the vehicle or the suspect. Please call 911.
If you have any requests for EAS mocks, please comment down below and provide a link to an audio alert you want to see. This is still a demo.